That's race number 9. And they're on their way. Mooney Money, Hayless Star moving up Pumaton Best. Optimized by the rail. Sweet Kid comes next. Botbo running down on the inside, followed by Pride and Joy. Then comes number 6, Prapu Bell. Followed now by entry number 8, Special Best. And trailing the group is Lucky Find as they leave the straight and going to 3/4 mile pole. Hayless Star takes command over entry number 5, Mooney Money. Best of Chimay racing in third. Down in fourth is Pumaton, followed by Frapu Bell. Is Special Best moving up on the outside. In between runners, Sweet Kid. Pride and Joy comes next, running second last, Botbo. And trailing the group is Lucky Find by about 12 lengths of the leader. Past the last 800, now we have Mooney Money takes command over Hayless Star by about half length. Running now in third on the outside is 6A Pumaton. Sweet Kid racing in fourth. Best of Chimay down in P, followed by Frapu Bell. Botbo starting to stretch out well too as they turn to the final 450. Mooney Money still leading the field. Pumaton moving up on the outside. Best Optimize digging in down on the inside. Sweet Kid and Botbo Hayless Star with the last 200 meters more to run. Best Optimize running by the rail. Mooney Money at the center fighting back. With the last 50 meters, Mooney Money doing the better over Best of Chimay. Third, Botbo, then comes Pumaton and Hayless Star for your Pentapecta.
54169.
And second choice yata si Mooney Money.
Oo.
There you go. So sila na rin yung AB, no?
Hindi.